Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API error, missing recipient team ID. This error usually happens when your request is missing the proper workspace or channel context. It can also happen when the bot is not correctly installed. First, make sure your app is installed in the correct workspace. Go to your browser, open api.slack.com, then go to your app and click your app name. From here, go to OAuth and permissions. If needed, scroll down under OAuth tokens and click reinstall to workspace. Follow the reinstallation prompt. And once you have done that, go back to your app. Then copy your bot token by clicking copy, just like this. Make sure you are using the bot user OAuth token that starts with xoxb. Next, check the channel setup. Always use the channel ID instead of the channel name in your API request. You can find the channel ID from Slack or by copying it from the channel details. After that, invite your bot to the channel. Open the Slack channel, type /invite, add your bot name, and press enter. Finally, try sending the message again after these steps. In most cases, this fixes the error by giving the bot proper workspace and channel access. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API missing recipient team ID error. You can fix it by reinstalling the app, using the correct bot token, using the channel ID, and inviting the bot to the channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.